So hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. So for those who are new to the channel, please do subscribe and show your support. So today I'm here to share a very important and interesting information. Today on July 12th specifically something interesting happened. One of Congress MP Shashitharoor, who is well known from Trivandrum, he has put forward a bill in Parliament asking to allow or amend the Constitution of Article 9 in order to permit Indians to have dual citizenship. So the Article 9 says that if another person takes another citizenship, automatically the passports will get cancelled. But if they amend the bill, then most of us can have a dual citizenship. So this was put forward by him. So I hope the current BJP government, who is also putting a lot of interest on focusing on NRIs and then streamlining them, will approve this. We can hope for that, and I don't know like what we can do from here in order to show our support. So those who have interesting ideas, please put it on the comment. And furthermore, the reason also put by them, and the thing is like the Indian community, even though they are abroad, they have contributed a lot to the India. And in specific, the two examples that put forth in this article specifically was like when there was a ban on uranium export to India, on saying that we are developing a lot of nuclear weapons. Indian community in India actually, sorry, Indian community in Australia actually worked a lot in order to remove this ban. And the historical Indian-US nuclear deal was also was based on a lot of effort from the Indian origin politicians who are in USA actually. So I think this can actually help a lot of Indians who wants to go back to their country, or a lot of flexibility will happen. So I hope this passes. So thanks for watching this video. I hope I'll come again with another interesting video, and subscribe and show your support. Thank you. Bye bye.